Fits 0105 Raptor. Stage 2. Stage 2 kits are intended for motorcycles with a stock or mildly tuned engine using a well-designed aftermarket pipe with a modified airbox and a stock replacement air filter. Stage 2 kit are designed for applications where individual filters cannot be installed and for applications where airbox modification improves the engine's performance. In most cases, power increases of approximately 8% can be achieved. Dynojet Carburetor Jet Kit can provide you with a simple and affordable solution to all your carburation problems. Dynojet kits increase power and smoothness throughout the entire reverend range, while maintaining optimum fuel economy. Dynojet Stage 1 kits are fully adjustable to allow the use of a well-designed aftermarket pipes and stock replacement air filters. Stage 1 kits are designed to improve throttle response and driveability, and in most cases power increases of approximately 5% throughout the entire power range can be achieved. Dynojet Stage 2 kits are designed for applications where individual filters cannot be installed and for applications where airbox modification improves the engine's performance. In most cases, power increases of approximately 8% can be achieved. Each Dynojet jet kit includes comprehensive instructions which show step-by-step installation and testing procedures to ensure a perfect setup every time. This is backed by free telephone and internet support to Dynojet customers. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use and works great. Great product for a first-time user. It had instructions and diagrams that made it easy to use and learn how the carb works. This came with different size jets for different mods you may have and different altitudes you live in. I did a full revid on a bike that didn't run when I got it, so this helped out a lot for me. It fired right up.